All right, so in respect to this news that went viral yesterday, that the courts have ordered for my arrest. First things first, the judiciary cannot shut me down. A lot of you don't know, but there's a plot for the judiciary to shut me down. But I will resist it. Instead, I will expose all those people paying money for it. I will expose all of you. All those people forum shopping judges. And all those that are illegal orders. I will expose all of you. Because tell me something. How can a man have 6 cases in front of one magistrate in one day? One lawyer have 6 cases in front of one magistrate in one day. And on that same day, the judge ordered for my arrest. On that same day. After they told him, because my lawyer told him that this guy is not in Nigeria. My lawyer also told them that I have case in that same court. And I have never missed a day. The lawyer told him that. As a matter of fact, I was even in China when they filed for that case. So I'm not around. And you're ordering for my own arrest. And I'm not even around. Not just that. On that same day when they order for my arrest, that was yesterday. Another court in Nyanya, High Court in Nyanya, is also issuing an injunction that I should not talk about Mercy Chinwo and Iziti matter again. Meanwhile, this other magistrate that ordered for my arrest have also issued an injunction that I should not talk about this case. Now, the one in Nyanya that issued that injunction was also a magistrate. He was recently made judge. He was also a magistrate. He was recently made judge. Now, again, if you go through their case, the affidavit is very scanty. No reasonable person will give an order based on that affidavit, based on that case where they file. And they look the case and I'm like, what's going on here? Not just that, this ex parte that you people pass, this ex parte order, what did they call them? I thought the NJC, I've stopped that, I put a stop on that, and I've warned all judges to not do that ex parte thing anymore. So why is this judge in Nyanya, why is he doing it? And why are they trying to do it? This ex parte thing. So the NJC, is it that you don't have, the law does not stand? I mean, you put a stop to this. Why are they trying to do it? So listen to me. Like I said, the judiciary cannot shut me down. Instead, all those people paying for it. I go expose all of now. I don't get that time. That being said, I know what they look for. You understand? They want the news. Oh, Verydarkman came to Nigeria because their plan will be, if I come to Nigeria, may they handcuff me. They handcuff me, people go say, yes. Oh, Messi don't win and all that. Blah, 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 blah. See, the truth is that, even if I come to Nigeria now, and they handcuff me, listen, it still does not change the truth. That there was abuse of power and influence against Iziti. How? It's simple. Why did they move the case from Lagos where get EFCC can't go Ilorin unless if they are looking for a place where they have a upper hand? Now I said it and I will quote it 1 million times. It might be a coincidence to every other person, but it's not a coincidence to me. Number one, the EFCC prosecutor have done 2 shows that are on YouTube. 2 shows, they don't go 2 shows together. He have done 2 shows with Mercy Chinwo's husband. He have done 2 shows. The EFCC prosecutor for this case. Not just that. The EFCC where arrest Iziti, where they detain her for more than 8 days for Ilorin. The zonal chairman there, now pastor for Redeem, just like the EFCC prosecutor. And guess what? When they opened the Ilorin branch, this EFCC prosecutor, where they're in charge of this case between Mercy Chinwo and that zonal chairman there, who is also a pastor, they did together. And the both of them attend Redeem. It's not a coincidence to me. To sum it up, the judge were in charge of the case before, because he don't recuse himself. As he said, the thing don't they cast online, he recused himself. He not did the case again. That judge, they follow Mercy Chinwo for Instagram. Or, let me say, an account registered with his name, rather, is following Mercy Chinwo on Instagram, but he don't go and follow now. It's not a coincidence. So there's abuse of power somewhere. Me, I stand against oppression. I don't care. So even if I come to Nigeria now and you detain me, it still does not mean that there's no truth in what I am saying. Did you people take the case to a place where you have upper hand? No or yes? Need I remind you people, I don't know about this case. Me, I'm giving my fair comments. Now she carried the case come online. Make everybody, oh my God, make everybody gather sympathy, start to bash the guy. I saw the loopholes. Why did they cut and join the videos? Why did she bring Pastor Jerry Eze into it? Why did she bring Nathaniel Bassi into it? Again, she lied in that video. They said that the guy paid bloggers to say that her child is not her child. There was never a news like that. There was never a news like that. So you, Mercy, you are a liar. Do you understand? So no matter how you people like, use your biggest influence. The truth is the truth. Guess what? I am coming to Nigeria. Nobody they feel now. Now to that judge, to the magistrate, right? With all due respect, sir. Before they filed that case, I know they Nigeria. So this issue, this order of arrest is surprising to me. Do you understand? Because at least, if you even give me grace, say, okay, this guy, he didn't come the first time. Let's give him a grace for the second time. If at all, this is the first time I'm seeing that, okay, there's a case of defamation, and the next thing, they don't order for the person arrest on that first day. Come on. And again, to the lawyer, only you get one case in front of this magistrate. 6 cases in one day. Who you be? But guess what? The person will get the real God could come out from the case. The person will get the real God. The person will get the real God. Nobody they fear anybody. Oh. That Nigeria must better. Oh. We stand against oppression. Even though they go lock us up, no problem. But slowly, we don't see the change. Unlike before where we say, okay, no, just go arrest person. No. Now they don't do one small one. These people don't they go file case for court. I go write letter to the CJ. I go write. This case, I dey come Nigeria. Wanna do na war, so wanna see me. I dey come Nigeria. Nobody dey fear anybody. Nigeria is my country. I will never live there for anywhere else in the world. Never. See as here the when fine like this, where any other person go come, he go look for a way to stay. I ain't gonna stay here. I was born in Nigeria, man. I can't leave Nigeria for anywhere else. So when I notice, okay, yes, when I do, the highest that can happen if I land, immigration come, police come, they come cuff me, blah, blah, that's the worst. But guess what? I'm still gonna come out of the case. When I know when I said there's no win in this. The truth remains the truth. The case has been compromised right from time. Nobody they fear anybody. You're gonna learn, and you'll learn the hard way. Don't play. Don't play.
You have bloggers. I have God. I have God.
Ma, you forgot to add that you have lawyers and a magistrate. I'll say straight. Your ways is not straight like that of your magistrate. Nigerians, let me expose the first plan. Your plan is to use your magistrate to hold VDM in jail for 60 days straight. It is alleged that you also have a plan because you have been caught. You want to use the court to cut VDM's life short. It's alleged that while he will be in jail, people will poison him. Nigerians, if anything happened to the life of VDM, you know who to hold. Is this what the gospel of Christ has turned into? The gospel is supposed to mean good news. So you mean anybody that comes up to question whatever narrative you are pushing, you take legal action, straight you call it defamation, and you want to arrest the person? Wow. So we don't get the fighting arm of God on earth. But are we on earth? Whatever mystery you people want. You people want the headline that as soon as VDM enter Nigeria, boom! Mercy Chinwo wins by arresting VDM as soon as he touched down from China. He eye go China. But mama, make I tell you, this year, 2025, we plan say half of farm, nice I sell. Half, we go make people excel. You cannot stop the motion of what is going to work this year. I will say it clearly. We are here to speak for the people who are oppressed. No, man. This is not what Christianity is about. You forget that people preach forgive and forget. Now you don't forget. Somebody is coming to stand against you and you say, man, you cannot silence the truth. It is expected from you and your legal team because everything will be exposed. Nothing will leave. Nothing. There's nothing. The day you arrest VDM, that's the day you arrest your career. You know why? You dey forget that people they buy your music. You dey forget this song when you sing, it is bought by people, and you want to arrest the person that speaks on behalf of the oppressed people. Think of it well. We expect you to do whatever you want to do. No matter how long you lock VDM up, we must free Nigerians from oppressors. And yeah, if you feel oppressed by this my video, my name is Okokowa Ogaga. And if you feel like I'm trying to defame you, you can go legal. But I've said what I've said. More will be exposed, from the magistrates straight to all your plans. We go vomit and give Nigerians. The people will be the judge. The people will be the judge. May we see from here, we best go up or go down. Because God they up, man they down. You cannot bring who God don't lift up down. It's Kokupi. Allah.